Okay, so for my learning experience, I decided to experiment and learn a little bit with Photoshop. So I watched some tutorials and a bit of a course online, and I was able to learn a little bit just about how to improve lighting and do some cool effects with blurring. So this is a picture that I've taken of the temple. Uh, during Christmas time, and yeah, I'm just gonna show off what I've learned, which is a ton. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is right click over here and convert to a smart object. And so essentially what that does is that it allows you to kind of see some of the changes that you've made and some of the filters that you've applied over time. And then you can click on these things. And so the layers are down here. And so when you click on this little eye icon, it'll make it disappear. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to uh, camera, raw filter. And so that lets you just change some of the lighting. And so what I'm going to do is just improve the clarity here. And I'll bring that to around, I don't know, like 45. And then I will increase some of the saturation as well, making those lights a little more yellow. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So as you can see, when I click on this, it makes it disappear. Not a huge change, but still a little better. Next thing I'm going to do is go to Blur Gallery, and I'm going to click on this field blur thing. And basically, this allows you to uh, blur like the area around it. And so I'll create another one right here around the temple, and I'll bring that to 0. Um, and so if I just want to blur this area, I can go like that. Then I can add another one over here, and you can add more of those where you want. I'll just delete that one though. Then make this a little less blurry, and yeah, and you can drag it like that. And so uh, I don't know if this necessarily improves the picture, uh, but for the purposes of this assignment, it definitely shows off what I've learned to a degree. So, and that's pretty much the point, right? So yeah, so I'll just you know click OK there, and can save as. Then you can save it as a Photoshop file, or you can save it as well as a JPEG. So I'll just do that. Boom. Okay, so yeah, thank you.